What's up, guys? We just got back from the good old KC Reef offshore here of Savannah, Georgia. Actually, it's offshore more of Tabby Island and Wausau Island. Anyway, Corey caught this beautiful, that is not a sheep's head, that's a black drum. Corey caught this beautiful black drum, or gosh darn, sheep's head. That was the black drum. And he had never cleaned one, and somebody had asked in the comments on FaceSpace recently to show how to clean it, guys, and I am way out of practice. I'm gonna make excuses before I start. So these are tricky fish to clean, okay? Some people defend them and all that. I don't bother with that. Be really careful of all these guys. These are super tough. Like, drop them and they're gonna go through your rubber boots into your foot. So don't mess with that. So use their eyeballs as a holder. I go in under here like so to make my initial cut. You're gonna come right behind the head, come down there, and in that spine, you're gonna come here. You're just gonna ride that backbone down. I should have grabbed that firmer knife, that deboning. There it goes. And guys, you can tell I'm taking my time here, because you want to make sure you're getting as much meat off there as possible. When you get down here to the end, over top of the spine, out the other side, you keep coming back till you got about that much. Okay, guys, so you got a piece of skin there. And then you're just going to go like so. And then I like to go this way once or twice to make sure you're getting behind that head and that shoulder meat off of there. Put your fingers there. This is the rib cage anyway, so you can come at an angle as you go toward the fish's head. We're just going to go straight through. Then, guys, you got your bone right here, your lateral, down your lat. I guess that might be where its lateral line is. Down its spine. And cut there. Cut there. That's the last of that bone. We're going to come here like so. Get rid of that piece. We're going to want to keep that nice, pretty white meat. Oop, oop, oop. And then you flip it over and do the other side. And that is how I fillet a sheep's head.